Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how to root your Android device, whether it be your phone or a tablet or anything like that. Um, First of all, you don't need any USB cables or anything like that, or no computer or anything. You just need your phone and a Wi-Fi connection, or of course a data connection. But who doesn't use Wi-Fi nowadays? And that's the way to do it. But Yeah, and number two, yes, I know this is a wave channel, but I am gonna do a few Android videos. In order for you to be here, you ought to know what root is. You probably already know what it is, and it's basically getting more access to your phone so you can do more things, and customize it more to your liking. Okay, so that's what root is, and let's get into it. It's very simple right now. Alright, so first off, you want to either go to the Play Store and download ForShared, the app, or you can go into any browser and type in forshare.com. Alright, so now I like the app because you can upload files, to keep the community going. But I also like the browser version because you don't have to worry about, an app taking up space or anything. So just type in Poot, Poot, once you download the app, or as I prefer to use the website. And if you have an Android phone, man, this is the stuff, man. This is a very good website. I use it almost every day. If something costs money and you don't want to download the black app market, or even if the black app market doesn't have it, this for sure will have it. I'm pretty sure it will. If you have an Android phone, I'm pretty sure you've already heard about this site or used it. Alright, so enough talking. Let's get back into the tutorial. Okay, so you want to click the first one. The second one works too, and I'm pretty sure most of them work, but I always use the first one. And so you need to wait 20 seconds. While that's going, I want to tell you that this works on my phone, which is a Kyocera Hydro from Cricket, and my sister's phone, which is a Kyocera, not the Kyocera Rise, but the Kyocera, I don't know, it's from Virgin Mobile. It's on the tip of my tongue, but I forgot what it's called, the Kyocera something. So obviously it works on Kyocera devices. They're both low-end phones, so obviously it's probably going to work on a Samsung or some high-end phone or any other low-end phone. So anyways, like I said, I'm sorry I'm doing all this talking, but you're going to click the download button, of course. After you do that, you're going to push install. After you install it, you want to actually go to the Poot app. You can either push open or done, and then come to the Poot app. Then this is going to say, this application requires Ministro service. Would you like to install it? You're going to push OK. And this doesn't take, actually, you want to go ahead and click the Ministro service. Hold on, wait for it to load. Alright, yeah, so click it, Ministro service, well, Ministro 2. I guess this is the update. Then go ahead and install it. It doesn't take long at all to install. The only reason why I think it might look laggy, or my Wi-Fi might be working a little slower, is because I'm using screencast, which kind of slows down your phone a little bit. But alright, so after you install it, hit the back button twice, and here you are back at Poot. Okay, so after you do that, Poot needs extra libraries to run. Do you want to download them now? Of course, you push OK. This doesn't take long. I'm about to show you something. Usually moves faster than this, but alright, here we are. So you see this big number and you're thinking, dang, this is going to take forever to download. No, it actually works very, very fast. That big number right there, that's nothing. As you see, I'm already on 15%. It hasn't even been 30 seconds. It's not like a big old Grand Theft Auto download or whatever. It just looks like a big number. Well, I mean, it is a big number, but it's just, you get my point. Here we are, almost at 50%. Here we are at 50. And what I want to tell you guys, if you're worried about memory or stuff like that, you can delete almost all the apps that you use to root your device after you are done. Actually, after you are done rooting it, notice I said almost, because you cannot delete super user. That is the base of the root right there. Alright? So, and I'll get into that later, but right now, it looks like we are done downloading, and we're almost finished. Just press here to boot, just press that, and then it says you need to restart your device or whatever. I didn't restart mine, but you might need to restart yours. But after you do that, you want to get super user. Click on get super user. It'll automatically take you to the Play Store. As you see, I've already installed it, but that's what you guys need to do. You need to install it, and then once it's installed, you don't have to open it up. Just push the back button twice, just like you did the Ministro service or whatever. Then you want to get root check. And then install that. This is the big thing that tells you if you have root or not. This is the hard drop or the moment of excitement. Okay, this is very important right here, because you can always download a root based app to show you if you have root or not, but this is the best way to go. So after that, this is what you need. You do need to open this one, and after you open it, it's a one-click button. Well, actually, after you push agree, it's a one-click button. So go ahead, if you're watching this video on a computer and you're about to click the button on your phone, go ahead and take a deep breath, because this is it. This will determine if it worked or not. Make sure you have followed all of my steps in the order that I gave them, in the order that I did. Do exactly what I did. Like I said, my Android is a 4.0. My sister's was a 2.3. So, I mean, this should work on pretty much a lot of devices. Okay? Here we go. Press the verify root access button. And then, this is how you already know it's rooted. If the super user asks for permission, then, that's right there. That tells you have root. So if it doesn't, that doesn't necessarily mean you don't have root. Because when I first rooted mine, I don't think it popped this up. So push allow, and congratulations, this device has root access. So if you get this sign saying that you have root access, congratulations. But if not, I'm sorry. I guess your device isn't compatible with this. My dad's Samsung, I forgot. I think it's Samsung Vitality for Cricket. It didn't work on his, but I don't know. A lot of stuff doesn't work on his. Even though it's a nice phone, it's still a 2.3. And I'm surprised my sister's phone had worked and not his, but it's whatever. So I might make a video on why you should root your phone, or some root apps. Number one, I'm going to tell you straight off that you can change the font. Like if you have a Galaxy S3, you can go to the font, but you can actually download more fonts. Now, some people in the comments of this particular app said it bricked their phone, but it has not bricked mine, and I've used it on my old ZTE Score, so Um, I use that Iron or whatever. But yeah, but anyway, I don't want to keep y'all. I didn't mean to make it so long. But anyways, that's how you root your Android. It's not that hard at all. And like I said, after you root your phone, you can delete the Poot, Ministro services, and the root checker. Do not delete Super User. All right, and then go on YouTube, search some more videos on what can I do now that I have root. All right, so it's been Lil Vontae. Deuce.